It's a 40 megahertz to 40 gigahertz USB-powered vector network analyzer with excellent dynamic range, typically about 125 dB. Here we're showing how we use the Mori microwave verification kit in our manufacturing process. Here in the background trace is the actual S-parameter data from Mori microwave, and in the foreground is our current measurement. The Mori microwave verification kits and calibration kits are a good way of tying it into the rest of the VNA industry, showing that we're a part of the ecosystem, we're integrated in their software, and just full of all of the usual features that you'd expect. Time domain, we have fixture removal, and full suite of software for making basically all of your S-parameter type measurements.